Hey everybody, it's me, Carolyn, just deciding to show you guys how I do a quick chicken taco lettuce wrap. So first thing I did is get that skillet out, sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil spray. I decided to use rotisserie chicken because it's easier to shred, but you can also use regular chicken. Once I did that, as you can see, I went ahead and added it to the skillet, started stirring it just so it can start getting a little bit brown. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add that taco seasoning. Be sure to add as much as you like or little as you like. I just added just a little. Then I took some water and added it to it. Be sure to add as much as you like or as little as you like. From here, I am going to go ahead and stir it. As you can see, it's starting to boil, which is good. Lets me know it's getting a little bit hot. Be sure to just stir it as long as you like and make it as hot as you like. From there, as you can see, it's nice and brown to the way I like it. From here, go ahead and make sure you turn that fire off so that you don't burn it. I'm going to go ahead and add a lettuce wrap. My husband took the liberty of already pulling it off, washing it, making sure it was a little bit dry for me. From there, I decided I was going to try to use a scoop, but then I said that was going to take too long. So you know what? I just decided to pick it up and throw it on in there. This is another one you use as much as you like or as little as you like. Since I had a little piece of lettuce, I wanted to just make sure I had just enough in there so that it allows me enough to roll. Perfect. From here, I'm going to go ahead and add me some salsa. You can use any kind of salsa you like. You know, some people add mango salsa. Me, I like habanero spicy salsa. This is actually my favorite salsa because it's so spicy, and you guys know I like my spice. From here, just take it and roll it up as tight as you can. Roll, roll, roll. You may have a little leakage, but that's okay. It's all going to be eaten. I went ahead and cut it and slice it just so you can see how it looks. And there I have my taco lettuce chicken wrap. I hope you enjoyed.